I've been using First Choice for 5 or 6 years now. They've always been quick to respond. I feel like they're very honest with their quotes and different solutions. You can tell service is the #1 priority. They really stand behind their products and their installations. My first experience with them, when they were a small company, we were having an issue with an AC unit. I won't tell you the name of the company we called out. They told me I was going to have to replace the blower motor and some assemblies, all this stuff. First Choice came out and basically told me there was one screw loose. And I mean, that was it. I was sold from that point on. They were actually able to find the issue that we had before the heat of the summer and able to get it resolved quickly. And they stand behind their products, and you can definitely tell that they're top notch.